6 tickets. And they're on their way. The Surgeon jumps for your lead, moving up Flammable. One slow out, walk the talk. He's sneaking in down on the inside. His Taste of Paradise. Then running by the rail is entry number 2 Punchline. Queen's Quest racing in fourth. Down in fifth is Friends of Doc. The Surgeon dropping back in 6. Then by the rail moving up is 1A. And that's Royal Jewels, Bersua. And running second last is 4A. That's Red Minstrel. And a long way back to Walk the Talk. Heading towards the last 900, we have Flammable in command by about a length and a half. Running in second on the outside is Taste of Paradise. Moving up by the rail is the favorite. And this one is Punchline. And now about to throw the challenge on Flammable. We have two runners are fighting it out for the lead. Flammable running by the rail. Punchline is on the outside. Down in third, Taste of Paradise. Fading out number 4, Queen's Quest. Moving up by the rail, Friends of Doc. And Royal Jewels fast approaching on the outside as they turn to the last 450. Punchline this time by about 2 lengths. Flammable drops back in second. Moving up on the outside, Royal Jewels. Friends of Doc sneaking in down on the inside in between runners. Taste of Paradise with the last 200 meters more to run. Punchline this time by about 8 lengths, followed by Royal Jewels on the outside. With the last 75 meters, it's going to be the favorite, Punchline. Second, Royal Jewels. Then comes Friends of Doc, Walk the Talk, and Flammable for your Pentapecta. Then comes Taste of Paradise, Queen's Quest for a Red Minstrel, Bersua, and the Surgeon comes in last.